Hi Tim, welcome to my channel again. So today we are going to discuss about the Python data types and data structures for DevOps. In this session, I'm going to explain you all about data types, data structures, and tasks based on them. So I have already mentioned this link in the description box. You can check out this blog from there. So, data types I have already explained in my previous video. If you go and check DevOps Day 16, then you will get a detailed description about the data types and how they are being used and how to check them, everything. You will get to see in the DevOps Day 16 session. So please go and watch that video and also watch this video until the end so that you can get a better view and understanding about how the tasks are being given based on the data types and data structures. So so if you want to follow my yesterday's blog, you can check out from this link. So today let's summarize points with some hands-on tasks. Data types. Data types are two types, primitive types and containers. So integer, float, boolean, none, string, everything comes under primitive types. Containers are list, tuple and dictionary. So data types are the grouping or categorizing of values that are passed to a program or code for executing and providing desired output. So data types is nothing but the variables which you pass to the program or code for getting the desired output from the code. So Python has the following data types built in by default. So the default data types in Python are the integer, complex, float. This will come under numeric, sequential, string, list, tuples, boolean, set, and dictionaries. All of these I have already explained you in the previous session in detail. If you go and watch that video, then this will be very easy to understand. To check the data type of any value passed to a variable, you can use this command type and variable here a equal to 10. A is a variable, type of a is a class int. So like this you will get to see what is the data type of the variable. Next is the data structure. So list, tuple, dictionary comes under the data structure. So these are the improvised way of organizing data that can be accessed efficiently to handle any situation. So let's see difference between the above data structures in the task below. So I'm going to discuss some tasks which will show you the difference between list, tuple and dictionary. So let's say we have taken a list and next we are printing that list. So like this we are printing exactly what is inside the brackets, but after that we are modifying the list by giving list of 1 equal to DevOps. So in list this will be considered 0, after the comma it will be 1 and after the comma it will be 2. So list of 1 is a DevOps, means here this should be get replaced with the DevOps. So when you print the modified list, it should display you this DevOps in the middle of this. So if you see here, it is getting executed. So Python 3 dot slash and the file which we have created and written code in it. So first it will print as it is. Next the modified list will be the in the middle of that we can see the DevOps. So list of one means the second value in the list. So that is getting taken. And next is tuple. So let's check the tuple here. So tuple is also we are taking the same. For example, we are taking this tuple values and then we are printing that as it is and then modifying the tuple value. So here we will when we try to execute this file, we will get the error. First, we will get this. Then, when we try to change the tuple value, we will get the error, as I have already explained you in the previous session that it cannot be changed once it is declared. So if you go and watch my previous videos, it will be very helpful for you to understand all of this. So next is we are taking three sets and we are just printing it in separate lines, so that you can see here. And the next is creating the below directory and use methods to print your favorite tool by using the keys of the dictionary. Sorry. So for example, we have taken dictionary as favorite tools equal to, under that we have the key value pairs. So so once you declare this variable, when you print this, first we are printing all the tools, so favorite tools, then we can print favorite tools of 5. So what is the key value of 5? 5 is the key and the value is the terraform. So here the value should get print of this variable key. So when we execute that, first it will print everything, as this is the print command, and in the next line it should print after colon terraform. So that has been printed. And next is create a list of cloud service providers example. So here these are the cloud providers which we have declared through a variable, and then we can append this variable dot append, then we can add the digital ocean in this. When we print this cloud providers, then it will print only this, and it will print with a digital ocean, then since it is getting appended. So next is the cloud providers dot sort. When we print this with sort, then it should make it in ascending order. So first is AWS, then Azure, then D, then G. So DigitalOcean and GCP. So that's all for today's task. Thanks for watching my video. And for this blog, you can check out the link from the description box. Thanks for watching.